In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect your whole Wix site. First, a quick heads up so we're on the same page. Wix doesn't offer a single switch to lock down an entire site at once. Instead, you secure each page individually. That means if you want the whole experience to be private, you'll apply the same password to every page you don't want the public to see, including your homepage. Let's walk through it. In the Wix editor, look to the left side of your screen and click Pages. This opens your full list of pages so you can manage them one by one. Pick the page you want to protect. Hover your mouse over its name, then click the three dots that appear to the right. From that little menu, click Settings. This opens the page's settings panel where you control visibility and access. Inside the settings panel, find and click the Access section. This is where you decide who can view the page. Choose the option labeled Password Holders. You'll see a place to type the password you want people to enter before they can view the page. Create a strong, memorable password. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything that's easy to guess. Passwords are case sensitive, so be consistent when you share it. If multiple teammates or clients need access, share the password securely and keep a note of it somewhere you trust. Once you've set the password for this page, repeat those same steps for your other pages. Go back to Pages, hover over the next page, click the three dots, open Settings, go to Access, choose Password Holders, and enter the same password. Do this for every page you want to protect. Don't forget your homepage. Locking it ensures visitors can't land anywhere public without entering the password first. If your site includes extra sections like About, Contact, or Portfolio pages, secure those too. The idea is simple. If even one page is left open, visitors may find a path in without the password. A couple of quick tips as you go. Test your setup in a private or incognito window to confirm the password prompt appears. If you can view a page without entering the password, double-check that page's access settings. And remember, this approach is meant for quick, simple protection. If you ever need different access levels for different people, that's a separate configuration. That's it. Apply the password to each page you want private, and your Wix site will effectively function as a password-protected experience. Thanks for watching, and happy building.